Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your trusted source for high stakes stock insights. I'm Mitchell, and today we're unlocking the buzz around CBDMD, ticker YCBD, the innovative CBD and wellness brand delivering premium hemp-derived products nationwide. Massive breakout today. As of December 12th, YCBD shares have exploded 96% in pre-market to over $1.23, shattering recent lows and seismic cannabis policy wins. The fuse? Reports of President Trump signing an executive order Monday to reclassify marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3, easing business restrictions, slashing tax burdens under Section 280E, and boosting research for CBD players like YCBD, whose Herbal Oasis THC line stands to gain big. This follows December 5th's NYSE American compliance win via Series A conversions, averting delisting risks after a tough year-to-date drop of 79%. Fiscal 2025 sales guidance holds steady at 19.1 to 19.3 million, with Q4 ticking up to 4.7 to 4.9 million. But negative cash flows demand caution in this volatile sector. Analysts flag underperform with a $1 target, but this could spark a green renaissance. YCBD, regulatory rocket, or relief rally? Share your high below, like for the heat, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids. Best elevated. See you next time. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.